Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing obstacles and cutting power near the wall. Safety first. Once the steamer is heated, score the wallpaper lightly so steam penetrates the adhesive. Press the steam plate to a small area for 20-30 seconds. This softens glue. Make sure to keep the plate moving slightly to avoid overheating one spot. As the paste loosens, use a wide scraper at a shallow angle to lift edges. If paper peels unevenly, reapply steam and work systematically across the wall. Once you have several strips loosened, move methodically in 2 to 3 foot sections to avoid redrying adhesive. Steam each section for 20 to 40 seconds and immediately follow with a wide scraper. Angle the blade to lift, not gouge. If stubborn backing remains, re-steam and rub with a damp abrasive pad to remove the fibrous residue. Make sure to frequently empty and refill the steamer to keep steam hot. As you progress, wipe with a sponge to keep the surface clean and visible. You're in the final phase. Clean and inspect the wall for glue, paper fibers, or damage. Wash the entire area with warm water and mild detergent, rinse, and allow it to dry completely before any repairs. Sand tiny nicks and apply joint compound for deeper gouges, then sand smooth once dry. Make sure to prime before painting. If a stubborn patch resists steam, apply a commercial adhesive remover or a hot water soak. Then re-steam. This dual approach usually breaks down persistent adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.